What's up guys, welcome back to the vlog. So in this vlog, I want to talk about this little guy. Anyway, I think that might be the coolest 7-Eleven I've ever seen. It just looks something out of like an anime, a movie. Yeah. Pretty small, tiny, but it got everything. Comparing to that 7-Eleven there, definitely. The beef rundown set. Yeah, having here. Alright. Really good. A little bit expensive because I think I'm in Orchard, that's why. But taste-wise, really good. Let's try the veggie. It's good. Alright, a little lunch before I talk about the camera itself. Alright, time to get back on the topic. Anyway, this camera has been out for at least 7 months. So there are tons and tons of YouTube videos, reviews about this camera. So this is more like my personal experience with this camera. So I've had this camera for like 1 month already, and I've seen quite a lot of, pros and maybe 1 or 2 cons at most. So yeah, let's start with the durability. Number 1, right? I've dropped this little guy quite a few times because I'm not used to holding this, set of, small little cameras. So yeah, I dropped this without the protective case, and it seems alright. There's no scratch on the camera at all. Back screen is still fine and the lens are still fine. So yeah, but I didn't drop it from like a very high, maybe from the tabletop, but it is still considered to be high. So yeah, really durable. I haven't really throw it around like other spots people do it. But yeah, for me, if it can withstand a few drops while I'm vlogging, I think it's good for me. Alright, so let's go and grab some coffee and talk more about this camera. More pros than cons actually. So the second reason that I like about this action camera is that it's just super small. I can literally fit in my pocket like that and just take it out, and I can just shoot it anytime. And third one is linked to the second one, is actually its audio. Like, it is so small and I don't really need to, you know, attach my microphone to it. Maybe in a lot of places like this, yeah, I might need this microphone, but on a, you know, normal base, I can just talk to the camera and the audio that comes out of it is just amazing, to be honest. So yeah, I'm really stunned by that when I hear the audio. In the past few weeks of vlogs, I have been just barely using the built-in audio, you know, from the Action 4 itself. So yeah, it's pretty crazy. Okay, somehow it's really noisy, really loud in here. I don't know why people are talking this loud. Feels like I'm back in Myanmar, honestly. But let me just enjoy this cup of coffee and then, yeah, talk more about this camera. So the next reason that I like is the point of view that I'm getting from this camera, this lens, and what I'm getting from my Sony camera. And it's just, it gives me the opportunity to shoot different shots from different angles. And one of my favorite shots so far is just putting it down and then me walking, and then there are high buildings on top. I think that's just looks awesome, and I've been using it quite often in my videos. So yeah, this is really good with that. Great coffee. So the other one is the stabilization. So I've been just holding it, with my bare hands, and the rock steady. I've turned on the rock steady stabilization inside the DJI Action 4, and it has been amazing. I'll link up a video where I was just skating with nothing on, and yeah, and the grounds were, some of the areas were smooth, but most of them are not. It's just like, even though I can feel it shaking, but when I look back at the footages, it's amazing. And yeah, I don't have to mention the video quality that this tiny little camera is producing, because yeah, I think at this day and age, every camera have like a 4K resolution. So yeah, I don't think I should mention that, but yeah, the video qualities are great as well. So honestly speaking, right, I haven't found any cons for this camera. But yeah, maybe in terms of the color, when I do like color grading and stuff like that, all the primary colors are very dominant. So the reds are very red, the blues, the greens, they are very blue, very green. So maybe I just need to find a way, learn more stuff to color grade the footages properly, and maybe I need to take a little bit more time. But yeah, I haven't tried out the auto color from the camera itself, so yeah, I can't say much about it. But yeah, I've been using the D-Log, and then I've been trying to color grade it. Yeah, the colors seems to be a little bit too bright, right? So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. Yeah, no, I haven't find any cons about this. And by the way, this little magnetic thing I'll just show you right now is just amazing, right? This is a brilliant idea by DJI, and you're done. You don't need to, keep screwing things up, and it is super stable. I've skated with this, I've played football with this, I've run with this, so yeah, pretty good. Hello. So, alright, turns out to be a pretty boring vlog after, my vlog was cut short. Yeah, some emergency came up at work. So, anyway, incredible camera to sum it up. DJI Action 4. I think this will be my, go-to camera when it comes to a lot of my vlogs. Yeah, for at least all the daily vlogs, I will be using this and this mic, combine it to be a better setup. Yeah, I'm finding my ways to color grade better for the footages, because yeah, like I said in the vlog, I'm still not used to color grading this, and yeah, the colors are just not my favorite yet. Maybe yeah, I'm just a noob, but I will improve for sure, and slowly get better. Like I said, this will be my vlogging camera from now on, and I'll probably be using this a lot more often. And then yeah, I think it's best for traveling as well. This is just small size, and it's just a little perfect little combo for daily vlogger like me. So yeah, that's about it. Thank you guys so much. I was about to shower and I forgot that I forgot to do the outro for it, so here I am. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog. Bye guys.